The skin consists of two quite different layers. The epidermis, a superficial layer of stratified epithelium that develops from ectoderm, and the dermis, an underlying layer of connective tissue that is largely mesodermal in origin. The dermis makes up the bulk of the skin. The epidermis is the outermost layer of the skin. It provides a waterproof barrier and creates our skin tone. The dermis is beneath the epidermis and contains tough connective tissue, hair follicles, and sweat glands. The deeper subcutaneous tissue is called the hypodermis and is made of fat and connective tissue. The dermis contains down growth from the epidermis, such as hair follicles and glands. The shaft of a hair consists of a cuticle and a cortex of hard keratin surrounding. In many hairs, a soft keratin medulla. Pigmented hairs contain melanin in the cortex and medulla, but pigment is absent from the surrounding sheath. The color of hair depends mainly on the shade and the amount of pigment in the cortex, and to a lesser extent on air spaces in the hair. In white hairs, pigment is absent from the cortex, and the contained air is responsible for the whiteness. Gray hair is generally a mixture of white and colored hair. The function of hair includes protection, regulation of body temperature, and facilitation of evaporation of perspiration. Hair also acts as a sense organ. Hair develop in the fetus as epidermal down growth that invades the underlying dermis. The nail plate is a keratinized structure that results from maturation of the nail matrix's epithelium. It is firmly attached to nail bed, which also contributes to its formation. The proximal and lateral borders are surrounded by nail folds. The nail matrix is a specialized epithelial structure that produces the nail plate. It extends proximally from nail fold up to 10 millimeters. The lunula is a semicircle white region at proximal end and represents junction between nail matrix and the nail bed.